Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI to chat and work faster. Claude is an AI assistant that can help you draft emails, summarize documents, brainstorm ideas, and handle various work tasks in seconds. It's a powerful tool that can seriously speed up your workflow when you know how to use it effectively. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, open your web browser and navigate to Claude AI. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Simply enter your details to access your account and get started with the platform. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to the main interface. Here, you'll see a chat input box positioned right in the center of the page. This is where all the magic happens. The key to getting great results from Claude is being clear and specific with your requests. For example, you might type something like, "Act as my assistant." Draft a polite email asking for a project update in 3 short paragraphs. The more detail you provide in your prompt, the better Claude can understand exactly what you need. Once you've typed your request, press enter on your keyboard or click the send button to submit it. Claude will process your request and generate a response within seconds. This is where you'll start to see how much time the tool can save you compared to writing everything from scratch. Now take a moment to review the answer Claude provides. Read through it carefully to see if it matches what you had in mind. Sometimes the first response might be exactly what you need, and other times it might require a bit of tweaking. That's completely normal and expected. If you're not satisfied with the answer, here's where Claude really shines. You can easily refine the output by giving follow-up instructions. Simply type your adjustment in the text field. For instance, you might say shorten this to 5 sentences and make the tone more casual. Then press enter or click the send button again. Claude will revise its previous response based on your new instructions, giving you exactly the style and length you're looking for. Once you're happy with the result and it's exactly what you need, you can copy it with a single click. Just look for the copy button near the response and click it. The text will be copied to your clipboard, ready to paste wherever you need it, whether that's an email, a document, or any other application. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Claude AI to chat and work faster. By giving clear instructions and refining responses through follow-up prompts, you can dramatically speed up your daily tasks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.